Mr. Suma, welcome again to Word on the Street. Now, you don't explain about fiscal policy. Now, what about the monetary policy?
Yes, as I mentioned the last time, the government around, all economists around the world, then they deal with two types of policy, one fiscal policy and monetary policy for fix the problem of the economy. We don't talk about fiscal policy the last time. When I'm the Minister of Finance, then they deal with that. Now we focus on the monetary policy, where now the central bank, the bank governor, and they focus on the one in the changes the way the bank governor they make, now they determine the interest rate, now they determine the amount of money where they flow in and out of the economy, now they determine the inflation rate and all that thing the way they happen in the economy. Now, usually, if the central central bank, the bank governor, want for generate business activities in the economy, then they make more money available to the banks. But when the money then they make available to the banks, there several ways then they do them. Every bank where they operate in the country, they get your own reserve in the central bank. So if the central bank no one play the bank, then get plenty money, if they ask them, say let them increase their reserve. So the bank then they take the money, then put it at the central bank, so that the central bank, the reserve will increase. The bank, the local commercial bank no will get enough money for give out. That now because the government want for control inflation, they don't want too much money for flow in the economy. But again, if the bank they not get money, they're not going to give out loan. So obviously, now a balance where the central bank get for create for ensure say then just able for release the amount of money where the economy able for handle where you know will create inflationary effect. Unfortunately, over the years, as you can see, the inflation rate is almost 15%. Look, America, the inflation rate at 2%. The other country are at 3%. We are 15%. Let's see how bad off it be. That means the policies that we implement under the monetary policy, they work effectively. And I can tell you why they work effectively. Now, if the government want to let the bank then get more money, it reduce the reserve when they get at the central bank. They tell and say, okay, you the bank, commercial bank, I get 2 trillion loans na my account, na your account for me. I they give you back 1 trillion loan, you just left 1 trillion loan, so you the bank will get plenty money. But the danger is, if they not get other policies the way they surround that kind of a decision, it go affect the economy in a bad way. How? Because the banks then don't get plenty money, then go begin find way now for give out them money then they where the money go plenty in the economy, goods they not the way they produce, the inflation rates they go up. So what me go recommend is this. The bank for increase the reserve of the commercial banks so that they go take more money from the commercial bank and pass them. But before they do that, they need for create incentive where they go create an opportunity for people them for use the banking system. Because salon today, most people them, if they see people they go buy thing, then they pay cash 20, 30, 40, 50 million euros cash, then they go take on a bank. Now salon no you go see that kind of nonsense then they happen. Inside country like America so any money you spend as you pass $10,000, you go for a check. Because as you reach $10,000, they don't forget reports to the financial system. Now FBI say this man a cash in the play with you. Because they know the importance for their cash going inside the banking system. So then they use check or they use card. So what thing we go do is this. For let people and get encouragement for they put money at the bank, the inflation are one of the things that will discourage them. Because inflation means the value of your money it is reduced by 15% every year. So if you put 1,000 loans inside the bank this year, next year, that value of that 1,000 loans there, it will not reduce by 15%. That 150 loans don't come up and them. Nobody no want put money in a bank, then kind of situation in there. You put money till the next year in value don't go down. You don't go put in a bank, no. So So what me they recommend to the central bank is this. Create an incentive up to the first 10 million loans. Anybody will put up to 10 million loans na the bank in addition to the interest of the commercial bank they give to that person there for the first 5 years with that money there at the bank, the central bank for also give another 15%. What's that 15% they do? Not to extra they pay the person anyway. You they wipe off the inflationary effect. So if the commercial bank they give the person like 5%, 10%, other percent interest for the money when they save, the central bank don't pass a law say will they put an additional 15% on top of any money we put somebody put inside the bank account for up to 10 million loans for 1 year. What thing are they go do? More money will come into the banking system. The second thing where I want let the government do, put a ban to every cash transaction where they exceed a certain amount. Me, if you ask me, any money when I 5 million loans, any transaction where they above 5 million loans is supposed to strictly be by check or through electronics way. You know, for give cash. What thing I go do? They go now that tell you the main thing that we go do. They go make sure say most of the money in the banking system. So the government no need for release more money again. You no need for reduce the reserve the way the commercial bank then get, because the commercial banks then go get enough money. When they get enough money, then go get incentive for give out loan to businesses. It also they prevent corruption, because most of the people that were at the government where they make yuki, when they ask for them 10%, 15% for contract, that 10-15% are cash. Now they need to collect too, because you know say if they put and through in bank account, person go pick up say, hey bra, you know the Minister of Finance. How this man we don't give contract, don't can give you 100 million euros in your account. Now if you don't pass law say nobody not forgive cash transaction above 5 million euros, you go for pass and through the banking system, it will be difficult for let somebody collecting yuki money, because you know say now in order for do cash. So if for pass law where you go be say they arrest somebody, they lock them up both sides. If you get corrupt people at the government, and then will pass them kind of law they, because at them very one are the people that they run the country and they mess up the law. Now the same one they mess up the economy. So how the economy go grow? So now all things they affect the economy now the country. Now touch on the other side. Now when banks they give out loan, the interest rate when they charge, it divided into different categories. The first one are the inflation rate. So in other words, if the inflation rate is now 15%, no bank no they give loan where they less than 15%, because that means the bank they lost. And in addition to the one, they then get the risk factor. The possibility say that person no go pay the loan. And the risk factor on a loan is very high, especially people that will not get collateral security, collateral for the loan them. So the bank will put another 5 or 10%. So 15% plus 5% and 20% already. Now the other factors and the bank therefore consider for making your own profit. So by the time the person will get the loan, you don't get 20-25% interest. Now you tell me about how you go able for invest now in the country, pan 20%, 25% interest. Who's can profit? How you going for make that profit day? When you get for pay 20, like all the profits you give to the bank. So let me tell you what in the central bank can do. We for create incentive in specific areas of investment. Agriculture now one. All areas of agriculture and value adding to the agricultural product, so that when somebody grow, let's say, coconut farm, you go able for use that coconut farm day, he create a factory, he build what in call coconut oil from them, you able for get coconut milk from them, you go able for can them, you go able for process them into packages, you go able for export them. For encourage that kind of investment day, when a long-term investment, when a capital-intensive investment, not to them picking money, not to them $10,000, $20,000, $50,000, now then $100, $200, $300, $400,000. So government need for create incentive for them kind of people. How you do that? You create incentive for specific areas of investment by writing off some of the interest, because waiting the government go do where they write off some of the interest where the person go for pay, especially the inflationary part of them. That 15% day, central government go look say, okay, if you want to go build that kind of factory there, you want to take 10 million or $5 million from the bank, we go give you some incentives so you go able for do am. You give tax concession or a defer. You know that you give tax concession so you know they pay tax at all. If they defer the tax payment, say for the first 5 years you know they pay tax, will they defer the payment when you begin make profit, then you begin add for that 5 year will be owe. Other incentives and they of course I will not mention how waiting the fiscal policy can do. You can do duty free for all capital products where they come, capital goods where they bring come into the country. Now but the government need for identify the specific areas the way they want for investment for contribute to. Because what thing can happen when government pass them blanket law then they when they know they narrow down to specific areas, you go see bank manager now, they talk minister now or politician go call bank manager, but I'm sister that one day, but they are on again so million loan. The bank manager 17 are government money. Instead go listen to minister girlfriend or minister sister can't take all the million loans. You know sabi 2 + 2 7 make 4. You know sabi run chicken coop self in backyard. You go get almost million loans when a government money for go on business. The way they not pay, they say Saloma no they pay that. Forgive we bad name no more. They feel to say now all Saloma no they pay that. Now lie. Now because now the wrong type of Saloma and they give money then too. Then girlfriend and Jeliba they when they deal with everything politics. If you see mix your economy with politics, every decision politics there for influence them, the economy will go before. We need a government where they separate the economic policies them from the politics of the day. Where people will can begin dictate to the bank manager then, as to whether they for give loan. And the bank manager then go forget that prerogative then they. The incentives the way the central bank they create now then go make some people then get interest. For instance, if somebody say you go supply farming equipment and farming chemicals and to them farmers and then villages then they. Then say na capital intensive for bring tractor na capital intensive. All anything and the incentives and the way the policies and we know this na video talk. I want this na I want a forum where we sit down with other economists and we sit down with them analyze them here one by one for so that you know because then we want for put on a Facebook and anything you don't let it too long. But with time we will begin for send some of the chunk of winning and so that we'll be able for understanding here in detail and know how to fix the economy. If they're not able to fix the economy, they are letting left the government. They don't do it for 9 to 10 years. They're not able to do so hardship now with people in the suffer. If you're not able to fix them, then bring the right people who will fix them. If you're not able to bring the right people, then get out. Let the new government come. Let them fix the people. The people they suffer too much. We don't tire for suffer. Thank you very much.